Are you struggling with the error message that says the URL/session did not map to a valid resource? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and help you run your desktop application tests using WinAppDriver and Java. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're trying to automate tests and you hit a roadblock like this. Many developers face similar issues, especially when working with Appium and WinAppDriver. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user reached out saying they are trying to automate tests for the Windows Calculator app using WinAppDriver, Appium, and Java. However, they encountered the error message we just mentioned. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this error? It often stems from configuration issues or incorrect capabilities set in your code. We'll break down the potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can save you a lot of time and headaches when working with WinAppDriver. To address the issue with the URL/session, the user should first ensure that the Windows application driver is running correctly. This can be done by launching the WinAppDriver executable. Next, the user should verify that the Appium server is started and configured properly. This is crucial for establishing a connection with the Windows application driver. Now, the user needs to check the desired capabilities in their code. They should ensure that the app path is correct and that they are using the right driver class. After making these adjustments, the user should run their test again. If the issue persists, they may want to check the Appium logs for more detailed error messages. Finally, if the user continues to encounter issues, they should consider updating their versions of Appium, WinAppDriver, and Java to the latest stable releases. Fun fact, did you know that the Windows Calculator app has been around since Windows 1.0? It's come a long way since then, just like our testing tools. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that when automating the Windows Calculator app, you should use the application identifier Microsoft.Windows-Calculator-8wikibdebb.app instead of the system path. They also mention that you don't need to start the Appium server, as it uses an older version of WinAppDriver. Just ensure that the WinAppDriver server is running in the background. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always keep your WinAppDriver and Appium versions updated. Compatibility issues can often lead to errors like the one we're troubleshooting today. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the error and get your tests running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.